Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to look at how we're going to enlarge drawing using the grid method. We are going to enlarge the drawing twice the size. So first you measure the width of the picture, which is 5 cm times 2. Why 2? Because we are enlarging it by twice the size. And then you do the height. 7 cm times 2, you get 14. Now we are going to draw the box, which was enlarged just now in our calculation, 5 cm by 14 cm. Right? Do the width and the height first. And then you measure 10 cm for the width. Right? Add a few markings of the measurement. This is just for you to get a straight line. If you just do one, you won't get a straight line. A few would help you to make a straight line. Right, now after you connect the marks, check whether all areas measures up to 10 cm. Now let's do the 14 cm. Right, again make a few marks to get straight line. Connect the marks and check. Right. Alright, now we are going to do the grids. On the sample picture, it's 1 cm. You times by 2. And now, each grid will measure 2 cm. Let's do the grids. Mark every 2 cm on your drawing paper. Right, as usual, add a few marks to get straight lines. Here, I'm making about 4 marks. Okay, connect the marks. And make sure your grid lines are very light because you are going to erase the grid lines later. Don't make it too dark. Look at how I'm holding the pencil. By slanting it, you'll get lighter lines. Okay, now let's do it horizontally. Right. Again, we're doing it for 2 cm. Connect the marks to get straight lines. It is important that if you get straight lines, it will be able you to get an accurate drawing. Right, so in total you should have 35 boxes. Now, the drawing process. Block the other parts of your sample picture and just focus on the one that you want to draw. So, grid drawing is drawing what you see in each grid. So, when you block the other boxes, you tend to focus on what you are drawing. You see, you get to simplify the picture into simple shapes and lines. Just draw what you see, but first you have to identify what type of shape and line you see on the sample picture for you to be able to transfer it to your drawing paper. You have to identify how much space you need to leave from top, from side. Where should I put the marks? On the line or above the line? It trains your observation skill. This grid drawing will train your observation skill to look carefully at each shape, each line. Right? Now you can connect your drawing from the previous drawings you did from the other boxes. Again, you are able to identify or observe where does the line falls, where does the shape falls, right? How big you need to do the shape, how big you need to draw the line, right? Always refer to your reference picture when you are drawing. You can't draw it out of your imagination because it trains your observation. So you have to look at the picture. You need to get a an accurate drawing. To me, why am I blocking all the other boxes? It enables me to focus, right? I can easily get distracted with all the other lines from the other boxes on my reference picture. So that's why initially I tried to block it. But as you keep practicing, you can eventually remove the blocks and just look at the grids, and you can transfer the drawing. Right, keep drawing lightly. Again, notice how I'm holding the pencil. It's sideways, not upright. Right, if you hold it upright, you tend to press or put pressure on your pencil. Then your drawing would be darker. Alright, we don't want that. Also, when you are drawing, do not go over the same line more than twice. Right, we need to get a very clean and neat line. So maybe go twice over it just to ensure you got the right line. Keep drawing, but keep also observing your reference photo. Identify what shape you find in each grid from the reference photo and transfer that onto your drawing. Although this grid method will take a lot of time to finish or to complete, but bear in mind it gives you a good result. The result is you get a proportionate and accurate drawing. You get a likeness of the picture. Don't press your pencil. Keep drawing with a light line. Right, some boxes might confuse you because there are so much of things to draw. But keep focus. If you need, block all the other boxes that you don't need and just focus on what you are drawing. It's important for you to understand that when you are enlarging the drawing looks bigger than the reference photo, yeah? While drawing or while using the grid method, I'm always asking myself, where do I put the line? Where do I fit the shape? Right, so always keep asking yourself whether the line should appear there or should it appear above the line. So always it's important for you to refer to the reference picture. Right, and always question and ask yourself whether you got it at the correct grid. Right, now I'm done drawing. It's time for me to erase the grids. When you've drawn the grids very lightly, it's easy to erase it. Okay, now remember line weight. I'm putting pressure on my pencil to darken the lines that are dark on the reference picture. Alright, so you see I've completed mine. Show me yours. Alright, thank you.